Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your search distance on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation icons. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to open up all your Tinder settings. This is where you can customize how the app works for you and adjust your preferences to better match what you're looking for. Now you'll need to scroll down through the settings menu. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled maximum distance. This setting is crucial because it determines how far away potential matches can be from your current location. If you want to see profiles from people nearby, you'll set a shorter distance. If you're open to connecting with people further away, you can extend this range significantly. When you find the maximum distance option, you'll see a slider next to it. Simply tap and drag this slider to adjust your search radius. Moving the slider to the left decreases your search distance, showing you profiles only from people very close to you. Moving it to the right increases the distance, expanding your potential match pool to include people from neighboring cities or even further. The choice is entirely yours based on your preferences and what works best for your dating goals. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted your search distance on Tinder, giving you more control over who appears in your potential matches. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.